everyone, and welcome to another accessory tutorial. Now, as a cosplayer, what do we always need but also tend to forget? Pockets. Usually it's because our characters don't walk around with phones, business cards, money to buy an overpriced sandwich. Well, I'm here to help. A little accessory that can always be added to a cosplay in some sneaky way are belt pouches. You can make them modern and futuristic, ancient and simple, or you can even steampunk it up. So today I'm showing you my method on how to make a simple belt pouch that you can personalize to fit any character you're cosplaying. Okay, let's go! Start off with a fabric of your choice. Here I'm using a pink cotton fabric. Cut the fabric into 4 pieces shaped kind of like arrows. Pin together 2 and 2 pieces on only one of the sides like this and get started on sewing them together. Next up, pin together the 2 parts on one side and leave the other side open. On the open side, you pin down the whole edge. When that's all sewn up, it's time to prepare the spot where the pouch opening will be. On the top edge, fold down 1 centimeter or 2 and pin it down. Make sure you have enough room for your ribbon or string of choice to be able to go through the whole tunnel. Then sew that together as well. Take your ribbon of choice and insert it carefully into the tunnel. Go all the way through and adjust the length as you'd like. I also sewed on a little loop of string on the side to be able to hang it on my belt later. Now pin together the last side of the pouch, but stop the seam where the tunnel hole is. Sew it together and turn the finished pouch inside out. Difficult corners can be turned more easily with the use of some scissors. Now just pull the string to close and open your finished belt pouch. This design I find suits well for medieval or fantasy characters like adventurers. Time for a more modern design. First choose your fabric, then cut it into 3 pieces. A medium and large rectangle with the same width but different length, and a much smaller rectangle which is to hang the pouch onto the belt, so it needs to be a bit longer than the width of your belt. Pin down the edges on the larger rectangles except the bottom. Also fold and pin the smaller piece. Sew down the edges and the loop with a simple seam. Then pin together the smallest piece on the back of the largest one and sew it on with a strong seam. After all, this is what holds the pouch hanging. Next up, pin the small rectangle on top of the larger one with the right side on the right side. This I sewed together with a thick, narrow zigzag seam for extra strength. Turn it inside out with the help of some scissors again. Lastly, you're gonna sew the edges down one more time after the folding, and I also added a buttonhole to be able to close the pouch better. Then just add any button you find suitable, and you're done! So, there you go. 2 very simple designs of belt pouches so you can customize however you'd like to fit pretty much any character you're cosplaying. I hope you liked this video. For more, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and if you want to support my work, you can always get me a cup of coffee. All links are in the description below. Bye bye!